Hi, my name is Richard, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about FemiPro before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about FemiPro supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is FemiPro and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The effectiveness of FemiPro lies in its targeted approach to urinary health. Utilizing a blend of scientifically researched ingredients, the supplement aims to restore balance within the urinary microbiome, reducing the likelihood of common issues such as bladder leaks and urinary tract infections. Many users report noticeable improvements in their urinary function, enhanced bladder control, and overall comfort after incorporating FemiPro into their daily regimen. Clinical research indicates that the individual ingredients in FemiPro have been linked to positive outcomes for urinary health. For instance, probiotics have been shown to support healthy bacterial balance, while specific herbal extracts are renowned for their roles in urinary tract support. The combination of these ingredients is intended to treat existing issues and prevent future occurrences by creating a hostile environment for harmful bacteria. However, as with any supplement, results can vary based on individual health conditions, lifestyle choices, and adherence to dosage recommendations. Overall, FemiPro presents a promising, natural solution for women striving to improve their urinary health. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive procedures and products that do not give any results. Make a test with FemiPro and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use FemiPro 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.